Hey, PracTacular Home, how you doing? Welcome to a snowy, cold Wednesday morning here in the Eastern Sierra. So, little taste of what it's like to live and work full time at 8,000 foot elevation level in the middle of the Eastern Sierra, California. We got some serious snowfall. We got 6 to 8 last night. That's inches at the town level here, and it's still snowing pretty hard. So let me flip the camera and show you. Yeah, baby. The snow is falling. It's chunky. I'm gonna have to make my way through a snow berm to get over to the door over there. And so, hey, we'll give you the full experience. So I'm gonna go in, we're gonna teach for about 4 hours. So that'll take us to about 11:30 a.m. my time here. And we'll see how much piles up. That's basically what we have to do. Then we have to dig out, I have to go pick up my wife at work, blah, blah, blah. Life goes on. You just gotta get through the snow. So stay tuned. We'll get into the shop here and then we'll do a quick what's up next and teach a little bit and then follow up with how did it go. So catch you inside.
All right, hey, welcome back. Made myself a little latte. I'm after class, by the way. Rolled in this morning and prepped the entire time, couldn't even shoot anything. So we're back at it here post class. So I'll do some follow up out in the shop here in a minute and kind of catch you up on what we were working on out there. But here's the good news. Dun, 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 dun. All right, new microphone. New back camera or back monitor so that I can use the beautiful three-way lenses on the new iPhone 17. Long story short, I'm gonna kind of geek out here for a little bit and see if I can get this gear up and running. And then the next clip you'll see hopefully will be with new microphone and we can hear the difference between me just talking into the phone and me talking into a cool little wireless mic. So stay tuned. Thanks so much. We'll talk to you in a little bit. See ya.
All right, well, here we are back in the shop. Little disappointed in one part of the tech, but the second part I think is gonna work good, which is this right here. Okay, so that's my new little microphone, which is going direct into the lightning port. And so this is the first test. We'll see how it sounds in comparison to just running it right through the phone. So part of this was when I move away from the camera, can we still hear what I'm doing as I walk through the shop and check on all 8 of our kitchen wall build stick frame 2x4s, and then we'll see how it works. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it right here and I'm gonna check the audio and see how we did. And the answer is it went really good. The audio sounds great. And so now I'm just kind of moving around the shop and we'll see how else the microphone works. But ultimately, this was my hope, is that I can then just forget about the audio, think about you guys and what you want to hear and learn and do, and not have to worry about the audio having a problem. So picking up tools, moving things around, all is good. Speaking of picking up tools and moving things around, let's talk a little bit about what we covered with our level 1 students. And I'm reaching down to get this, which is our work order number 2 for our kitchen wall build. Okay, so we've been doing electrical for a couple of days, teaching the basics in and out of residential electrical. They practiced, every single one of them, how to install a switch and a receptacle on our practice stations, and it was 100% success. That's never happened before, you guys. 9 years of teaching this, always challenges, problems, misconnections, all of this sort of thing, but nothing of that today. And that is all towards the new technology that we're using with our receptacles, along with the new stripping tool. And now all of a sudden, what could have taken 2 or 3 days to get kind of just the basics, it took half a day and they're up and running. So we cleared them. We're gonna go ahead and start on our work order number 2. And it looks kind of like this, because there is another plan. Yeah. Okay, so down here in the corner, I gotta see if I can do this. There it is. Teaching them some of the keys to electrical engineering and how those individuals draft the plans and tell us as electricians where to put things and how to wire things. And so we taught them about the 1/2-inch cable staples. So for a Romex wire, code tells us that every time we go in and out of a junction box, we need one of those connection cables to secure the Romex to the actual framing within 7 inches of the actual junction box. So we talked about staples, we talked about where they are in the plan, and help them to understand you got to look really close and pay close attention in order for all these details to work. Because when the electrical inspector shows up, they're going to be looking for these basics that all electricians need to know to keep our wiring safe and keep the people in the houses safe. So we got to put some staples. We talked about where a plug and switch combination is going to go, because there is a key indicator right there, plug and switch, and they were able to identify where on the plan. I had all 8 student groups point literally to the framework so that I could verify that they're seeing and understanding the plan before tomorrow happens, which means we're going to start drilling holes through our studs and we're going to start running the Romex wire. We're going to set our junction boxes. The whole rough electrical starts mañana. Okay, so let's see how they do tomorrow. Okay, we'll bring you back. We'll have more to show you. We've got a new microphone. Hopefully it all sounds good. Again, thank you. Hope this was helpful. Put some comments down below if you want to know any more about electrical or what we're doing in here, and we'll try to just keep this party started. Okay, all right, take care everybody. We'll see you later.